Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tuwassir wa tammim bil khair. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today inshallah we will start the lesson number 6, chapter 6, Ad-Darsu Sadisu. And now we are moving forward, and today we will learn about the Arabic sentences. About the Arabic sentences. Al-Jumlatul Arabiyatu. Al-Jumlatul Arabiyatu, the Arabic sentence. So you please switch off your mics. In Arabic, there are two types of sentences. There are two types of the sentences. The nominal sentence. The first one is the nominal sentence. Al-Jumlatul Ismiyatu. Al-Jumlatul Ismiyatu is the nominal sentence. And the second is the verbal sentence. Al-Jumlatul Fi'liyatu. This is the verbal sentence. Al-Jumlatul Fi'liyatu. And this is the term we will use in the future. So you have to understand and memorize these terms. Al-Jumlatul Ismiyatu, the nominal sentence. Al-Jumlatul Fi'liyatu, the verbal sentence. The nominal sentence is a sentence which begins with a noun. It begins with the noun and comprises of a subject and a predicate. So it means, in a simple word, Jumlatul Ismiya is a sentence which starts with a noun. In the beginning of the sentence is a noun, and the Jumlatul Ismiya has two parts. Jumlatul Ismiya has two parts. The first is the subject. We call it Mubtada. This subject, we will call it the
Mubtada.
And the second will be the predicate, khabar. So
Yes.
Jumlatul Ismiya has two parts. First part is Mubtada and the second part is predicate, khabar. And in English we can say subject and a predicate. While the verbal sentence is that which begins with the verb. The beginning of the verbal sentence, Jumlatul Fi'liya, is with the verb, with a fail, and has two basic components. In Jumlatul Fi'liya, it has two basic components. The verb, the basic component of the Jumlatul Fi'liya is the verb, fail, and its subject of the verb. What is the verb? action, and the subject is doer of the action. Doer of the action is called the subject. So this is Jumlatul Fi'liya. It contains two components, the verb and its subject. Here are some examples for the Jumlatul Fi'liya. For the Jumlatul Ismiya. Sorry. For the Jumlatul Ismiya, there are the few examples. At-talibu mujtahidun. The student. Starting with a noun. The student. At-talibu. It is a noun. It is a ism. So this sentence is starting with a noun, with the ism. So it is a nominal sentence, Jumlatul Ismiya. Mujtahidun is hardworking. So this Jumlatul Ismiya has two parts, Mubtada and the Khabar. At-talibu is Mubtada, Mujtahidatun is its Khabar. At-talibu mujtahidun. At-talibu mujtahidun. The student is hardworking. At-talibu mubtada. Mujtahidun is khabar. So you can say at-talibu, the subject, and mujtahidun is predicate. Al-qalamani, this is mufrad. At-talibu is mufrad. At-talibu is mufrad.
Mufrad.
So its khabar is also mufrad.
Is mufrad.
Okay. Now we take an example from the musanna. Al-qalimani. Al-qalamani. This is musanna. Al-qalamani, musanna.
Musanna.
Yes. Al-qalamani, musanna. And its khabar will also be musanna. Saminani.
Sir, can you repeat Mubtada and Khabar again?
Yes, it will come again. The mubtada is the subject. The nominal sentence starts with a noun. The nominal sentence starts with a noun. We call it mubtada. Mubtada is a ism which comes in the beginning of the sentence. We also call it subject. And the khabar, which comes after the mubtada. Mujtahidun. This is khabar. Predicate khabar. Okay. So khabar is also mufrad. Because the mubtada is mufrad. Musanna al-qalamani is musanna and mubtada are the subject. So saminani is khabar, predicate, and it is also musanna. If the mubtada is musanna, its khabar is also musanna. Al-muallimuna. This is an ism in the beginning of this sentence. So this is mubtada. This is a mubtada. It is plural, jama, So it's khabar. Hadiruna is khabar.
It is plural.
And khabar is also plural. Khabar is also jama. Here, at-talibu is muzakkar. At-talibu is muzakkar. So its khabar
Mujib.
is also muzakkar. Same with the al-kalamani. This is muzakkar. So its khabar is also muzakkar. Al-muallimuna is also muzakkar. So the hadiruna, its khabar is also muzakkar. So this is the khabar and the mubtada. If the mubtada is muzakkar, its khabar is also muzakkar. If a mubtada is mufrad, its khabar is also mufrad. If a mubtada is musanna, its khabar is also musanna. And if the mubtada is jama, its khabar also jama. Al-qalamani saminani. The two pens are expensive, costly. The two pens are expensive or costly. Al-muallimuna hadiruna. The teachers are present. So this is the nominal sentence. Mubtada and the khabar. And you see they both, mubtada is marfu and its khabar is also marfu. Mubtada will always be marfu in a nominative case. It can never be a mansub, it can never be majroor. Same with the khabar. Khabar will also always majroor, marfu. Khabar will always marfu and it is always in a nominative case. And one more thing is, the mubtada is indefinite. At-talibu, the mubtada, definite noun, marfa. At-talibu, al-qalamani, al-muallimuna. They are definite, they are marfa, while their khabar is nakira. Mujtahidun nakira. Saminani nakira. Hadiruna nakira. So mubtada, mostly mubtada is marfa and the khabar is nakira. But sometimes mubtada can be nakira and sometimes khabar can be marfa. These are the exceptional cases we will learn later. And now about the jumla tul felia, verbal sentence. The verbal sentence al jumla tul feliyatu. Hadar al muallimuna. The teachers arrived. Hadara is fail. Hadara is fail. Here you note, hadara is a singular form of the verb. Hadara is singular form of the verb. And the plural of hadara is hadiruna. Not that is the fail, hadirun. So hadara, this is first form, This is the singular form of the verb. While its subject al-muallimuna is plural. Jumlatul Felia, it will always start with the singular form of the verb. Yaktubu Zaidun. Zaidun is singular and the yaktubu is singular form of the verb. Zaid is writing the lesson. Yaktubu Zaidun darsa. So yaktubu is fail, Zaidun is file, and ad-darsa is maf'ul, the object. Uktubu darsa, I wrote the lesson. So here ana is hidden in uktubu. Kataba is fail. Ana is file which is hidden. Mustatirun and ad-darsa is its maf'ul. We are not going to learn the Jumlatul Felia, so we will not go in the detail of the Jumlatul Felia. There is another lesson in this book for the Jumlatul Felia. We will learn it there. Now, today our topic is Al Jumlatul Ismiya. So we focus on the Jumlatul Ismiya. So Jumlatul Felia, which starts with a verb. Hadara, yaktubu, aktubu, they are all the verbs. Now we go more detail about the Al Jumlatul Ismiya. Al Kitabu Mufidun. Al Kitabu is its mubtada. It is a muzakkar noun and it is a definite noun. And it is mufrad. So it's a khabar. Mufidun is also mufrad, is also muzakkar, and it is also marfu in a nominative case. The book is useful. The book is useful. Mufidun means useful. Okay. Now if number 2, al-kitabani, mufidani. Al-kitabani, this is musanna. Al-kitabani mufidani, this is muzakkar, this is musanna, this is marfu, and this is mubtada. So its khabar is also musanna, and it is also marfu, and it is also muzakkar. Al-kutubu, al-kutubu mufidatun. The books are useful. The books are useful. So the plural of irrational being. The plural of irrational being is equal to feminine singular. The plural of irrational being or ghair aqil is equal to feminine singular. So al-kutubu is the plural of the book, al-kitab. So we will use its khabar feminine singular. Al-kutubu mufidatun, the books are useful. And we will translate in the plural. When we will translate it in the plural. The books are useful. Translation will be in the plural, but the khabar will be feminine singular. Okay. Number 2 is al-mu'minatu qanitatun. Al-mu'minatu qanitatun. Qanitatun means obedient. Okay. The believer, the female believer is obedient. Al-mu'minatu is muannas. It is a muannas noun. And it is a singular noun. So its khabar will also be muannas qanitatun. And its khabar is also muannas and mufrad. Because al-mu'minatu is muannas and al-mu'minatu is also a mufrad noun. Then al-mu'minatani, qanitani. Al-mu'minatani is musanna. Qanitani khabar is also musanna. Musanna muannas. The two female believers are obedient. Al-mu'minatun jama. Qanitatun, this is also jama. The khabar is also jama. Al-mu'minatun, qanitatun, the believer women are obedient. Then al-muslimu sadiqun, this is rational being. This is akil. This is example for the akil. And this one was ghair akil. Because kitab is ghair akil. And this one was about the muannas. Al-muslimu sadiqun. Al-muslimu is mufrad and muzakkar. So sadiqun is its predicate khabar is also mufrad and muzakkar. Al-musliman is sadiqani. The Muslim is truthful. Al-muslimu sadiqun. The Muslim is truthful. Al-muslimani sadiqani. The two Muslims are truthful. And when the jama al-muslimuna sadiquna, the Muslims are truthful. So its khabar will also be jama. Al-muslimuna is also jama. This is akil. Al-muslimuna khabar is jama. Al-kutubu, this is ghair akil. So khabar is muannas wahid.
Sir, what
Yes.
about the other jamak muzakkar salim? Al-muslimina, then how?
That mubtada cannot be in genitive or accusative case. Mubtada can never be mansub. Mubtada can never be a majroor. Mubtada, the subject will always in a marfu case, nominative case. And khabar will also be marfu or nominative case.
Yes, understand.
Yes. Okay. These are the explanatory notes. We will learn more deep about the Mubtada and Khabar. The nominal sentence is made up of two parts. Just now we learned the first part is term al-Mubtada'u, and we can say it the subject. The second part is termed al-Khabaru, the predicate. Al-Waladu Tayyibun, the boy is good. Al-Waladu Mubtada Tayyibun Khabar. So here Al-Waladu, the boy, is Mubtada, subject, and Tayyibun is its Khabar, predicate. Okay. The subject is generally definite. The subject is generally definite, and the predicate is indefinite. Both the subject and the predicate are marfu. Both the subject and the predicate, both Mubtada and the Khabar, they are marfu in the nominative case. So Mubtada can never be a mansub, Mubtada can never be a majroor. Same with the Khabar, Khabar can never be a mansub or Khabar can never be a majroor. The predicate conforms to the subject in two respects. In number, in adad. If the subject is singular, if the mubtada is singular, the predicate is also singular, as we have seen the above in the lesson 1 in 3 columns. The same applies to the dual. The same applies to the dual. If the mubtada is dual, its predicate is also dual, khabar is also dual. And if the mubtada is plural, Jama, its khabar is also Jama. Okay, ji. The examples we have already seen the above. In the subject is the plural of an inanimate object. The predicate is generally feminine singular. Mean if the subject is plural of the hierarchy. If the subject is plural of the hierarchy. The plural of hierarchical or irrational being. If the plural of irrational being, the predicate is generally feminine. Its predicate will be generally feminine than the singular with the ta'i marbuta, as we have seen here. Al-kutubu mufidatun. Al-kutubu is gairakil, plural of the gairakil, so its khabar is feminine singular. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
The board, the writing is not very clear, it's not contrasted. So the writings is not contrast.
What mean?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, क्या हाल है? ठीक है?
जी अल्लाह का शुक्र है।
I mean the writing, the book, the board. Yes, it's
The,
okay.
what is wrong with the writing on the board?
It was not contrasted like the writing is not very clear, but now it's very clear. Here is very clear.
Yeah, this is this is problem with your internet connection.
Okay.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Yes please. Wa alaikum salam.
सर मैंने छोटी सी वो रिक्वेस्ट करनी थी आपसे। टॉपिक माशाल्लाह बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैंने भी ज्वाइन किया, लेकिन सर आप ये अंग्रेजी के अंदर पढ़ाने समझ कोई नहीं आ रही है मेरे को ही ना।
आप उर्दू वाली
ये
ज्वाइन कर लिया
लिसान-
करें। आप उर्दू वाली रात को 8 बजे ज्वाइन कर लिया करें।
चलो ठीक है, शुक्रिया सर,
Sir,
बहुत
sir,
मेहरबानी।
please send the link of Urdu grammar.
आप लोग जो है ना, जिस नंबर से आपको ये लिंक मिला है ना, उसी नंबर पे आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दें, मैं आपको उर्दू के ग्रुप में ऐड कर दूं।
Alhamdulillah, you know Urdu. Alhamdulillah.
आप मुझे इसी लिंक पे, जिस नंबर से आपको लिंक मिला है ना, उसी नंबर पे आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा, मैं आपको उर्दू वाले ग्रुप में ऐड कर दूंगा। रात को 8 बजे क्लास होती है हमारी, ठीक है? अच्छा चलें आगे चलते हैं। If you cannot see the text, you can log out and you can refresh your laptop or your mobile or your computer, because mostly the people, they don't switch off their laptop, and when they take the class, the memory of the laptop or the computer is being used for the other applications, and they cannot see the PDF clearly. Most of the times you can see it blurred. So it is because of your laptop memory is being used for the other applications. When you are going to take the class, better you restart your computer or laptop and switch off all other applications. So your memory will use only for the Zoom and for the class. And you can see and you can listen everything clear.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, in gender, if the subject is masculine, if the mubtada, subject mean the mubtada. If the subject is masculine, muzakkar, the predicate is also masculine, muzakkar. And if the subject is feminine, the predicate is also feminine. And this one we have learned in the above examples. And the number 8, there are two kinds of Arabic sentences. We are going to summarize the lesson. So this is the summary. There are two kinds of the Arabic sentences: the nominal sentence termed al-jumlatul ismiyatu and the verbal sentence al-jumlatul fi'liyatu. The nominal sentence begins with a noun and it is made up of two. It is made up of the subject al-mubtada and the predicate al-khabar. Both of them occur in the nominative case. Both of them occur in the nominative case. Both are marfu. If a noun is in a genitive case, or if a noun is in accusative case, or they are mansub or marfu, they can never be a mubtada, they can never be a khabar. The predicate conforms to the subject with respect to the number and gender. Or we can say the predicate follows the mubtada in number and the gender, except if the subject is plural of irrational being. Ghair if the plural of ghair or irrational being object, in which case the predicate is feminine singular. Not only the predicate, its pronoun, its ismul ishara,
तुम सब तमीज क्यों भूल जाते हो बेटा?
and its khabar, its adjective, all will be feminine singular.
Ustaz, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Yes, please.
What this last rule, last rule of gairu akil of predicate gairu akil, is it also applicable to counting? In counting, counting is gairu akil.
There will be another lesson for the counting. You don't worry. Just here.
Thank you.
For the countings, there are the different rules. So you just take here the objects. Okay. From 1 to 2, there are the different rule. From 3 to 10, there is the different rule. From 11 to 12, there is a different rule. From 30 to 20, there is a different rule. From 21 to 30, there is a different rule. From then 100 is a different. So the countings, they have a different rules. We will learn when we will learn the lesson of the counting.
Thank you.
Here we just talk about the object. Okay, you are welcome.
Sir, how can we differentiate from Jumla Ismiya and Jumla Failiya? Or how can we differentiate Ism and Fail?
Jumlatul Ismiya will start with the ism, with the noun. And the noun, there are you can know the noun if there is a alif lam, like al-kitabu. So if there is alif lam with it means it is a noun. Then by its tanween, kitabun, it means it is a noun. So this is, you can know it is a noun. With the tanween, you can know kitabun. Only a noun can have a tanween, and only a noun can have alif lam. The fail, the verb, cannot take the alif lam. There will be no alif lam with the fail, and there will be no tanween on the fail. So if a noun, if our sentence is starting with a noun, al-kitabu, al-kitabani, al-kutubu, al-mu'minatu, al-mu'minatin, al-mu'minatu, al-muslimu, al-muslimani, al-muslimuna. So they are taking the alif lam. So it means they are the ism. Sadiqun, it is taking the tanween. So with the tanween, you can know that it is a ism.
Sir, can I ask a question, sir? For
Yes,
example, number 3, Al-Kutubu Mufidatun. Yes,
yes,
because
yes.
of the Tanwin and Tamarbutah is an isim. Can that Mufidatun be replaced by adjective?
No, this is not the adjective. This is adjective noun, but it is not adjective. It is here predicate. For the adjective, there are the different rules. So, adjective should be al-kutubu is marfa. Al-kutubu is marfa. So its adjective should also be marfa. Its adjective should also be marfa. And mufidatun is not marfa. If you want to say al-kutubu, al-kutubul mufidatu. So it will not be mubtada and khabar. It will be naat and manut. Mufidatu. There will be single dhamma. Al-kutubul mufidatu. This is not and manut.
What about if the book is beautiful? I mean, very good looking.
What means?
Yeah. Can it's also an manut, is it? A
You just
beautiful book.
wait. Just focus on the lesson we are learning. These are the irrelevant questions. We are not learning about the adjective. There will be another lesson for the adjective, and we will learn more detailed about the adjectives. So when you start a new topic, it means it is a waste of time and it is a confusion for the other students. Today, our lesson is Mubtada and Khabar Jumlatul Ismiya. Just focus on the Jumlatul Ismiya. If you
Excuse me, sir.
yes, please.
Sir, move.
This is our exercise. Here, the Mubtada, the subject is here, and we have to fill in the blanks with the suitable predicate. We have to fill in the blanks with the suitable predicates. Means we have to bring here the predicates. Al masjidu.
Kabirun.
Masjidun qaribun. Sir,
Oh,
qaribun. Al masjidu qaribun.
Al masjidu karibun. What is the meaning?
The mosque is near.
The mosque is near. You can change. You can bring other predicates also. Al masjidu karibun. Al masjidu.
Baidun.
Al masjid.
Jadidun.
Listen me first. So you can bring more predicates. When you practice, you write the lesson, you make the practice, you can bring the more predicates with the masjid, which is relevant with the masjid. Like al masjidu qaribun, masjid is near. Al masjidu jamilun, masjid is beautiful. Al masjidu kabirun, the masjid is big. Al masjidu wasiun, the masjid is vast, wide. So you can bring the other predicates. Fatimatu.
جميلة ذكية
Fatimatu zakiyatun jamilatun talibatun muallimatun. So don't focus on the one object, one predicate. Fatimatu zakiyatun. Fatima is intelligent. Fatimatu talibatun. Fatima is a student. Fatimatu muallimatun. Fatima is a teacher. Fatimatu tabibatun. Fatima is a doctor. So you bring mujtahidatun. Fatimatu mujtahidatun. Fatima is hardworking. So you do more practice with the different kinds of the predicates. Al-khalatu.
The meaning of khalat.
Al-khalatu, the aunts.
Khalatu raj to jali.
But
Jalisatun.
مدرسات
Jalisatun. Okay. Jalisatun mudarrisatun. एक मिनट.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, Fatimatu have ta marbuta. Mufidatun also have tar marbuta. So Mufidatun is a noun or fa'il, verb,
Adjective noun.
adjective noun.
Jalisatun. Al-khalatu jalisatun. What is the meaning?
The two
aunts are
aunties are
sitting
Is sitting.
The aunts are sitting. Jalisatun,
aunties are sitting.
muhandisatun, muallimatun, mudarrisatun, tabibatun, mumarridatun. So you can bring more predicates. Al-khalatu mumarridatun. The aunts are the nurses. Al-khalatu tabibatun. The aunts are the doctors. Al-khalatu mudarrisatun. The aunts are the teachers. Muallimatun are the teachers. Al-khalatu. You can bring the more predicate here. Al-baytu.
Tawilun.
Anyone?
Al-baytun kabir.
Qadimun.
Okay. Al-baytu qadimun jadidun
The
نظيف
kabirun.
house is
واسع
old.
Al-baytu. Yes. Qadimun kabirun sagirun jadidun wasi'un aridun. So you can bring more predicate here. Al-muhandisuna.
Mujtahidun.
Zakiruna.
الذكيا
Al-muhandisuna mujtahid.
ذكيا
ठीक है. Mujtahiduna. ठीक है. Al-muhandisuna muslimuna. Al-muhandisuna mujtahiduna. ठीक है. Al-muhandisuna mu'minuna. ठीक है. Al-aynani.
أزرقان
Al-aynani
مفتوحان
jariyatani.
Naam.
Al-aynani jariyatani. The springs are flowing.
सर ये आंखें भी हो सकती हैं
यहाँ पे springs के माने में आ रहा है, चश्मे के माने में आ रहा है. Al-aynani jariyatani. The two springs are flowing.
सर अलबैतो कुशादा का क्या होगा अरबी?
वासियुन.
वासु अलबैतो वासिउन.
हाँ जी. Al-aynani jariyatani. So means the two springs are flowing. At-tabibani. The two doctors,
Zakiyatani.
Zakiyatani, I think they don't need to be Zakiyun. They already
सर तबीबानी बिजी बिजी का क्या होगा
Majhulatun.
At-tabibani mahirani. The two doctors are experts.
Expert.
Okay. At-tufahatani.
لذيذتان لذيذتان
At-tufahatani lazizatani. Lazizatani. The two apples are delicious, tasty. Ad-dakakinu
Meaning.
مفتوحة
maftuhatun. Ad-dakakinu is
مفتوح.
why maftuhatun?
Shops
What
are
is the reason?
shops are open
Why maftuhatun?
because it is
मफ्तूहतान
Why?
غير آكل
जमा
غير
जमा
آكل
जमा मुकस्सर
Yes.
गैर आकल जमा मुकस्सर
Ghair akil. This is ghair akil. Al-dakakinu is ghair akil. So its predicate will be feminine singular. Ad-dakakinu maftuhatun. The shops are open. Mughlaqatun. The shops are closed. Al-qaryatani. Al-qaryatani.
Ba'idani.
Baidani.
بعيدتان
Baidatani. Yes. Al-qaryatani. Baidatani.
Ba'id.
Okay. Baidatani. What is the meaning?
The two
the
villages are
two
far.
far
The,
away
the two villages are far. Ash-shawari'u.
واسعون
Ash-shawari'u. It is
واسعة because it's feminine.
because of what?
It's considered as feminine because it's غير آكل.
So it will be aridatun. Aridatun means wide.
Okay, but it will be feminine.
Yes. Aridatun.
how sir it will be feminine
Ash-shawari'u. The streets.
streets it is plural
It is plural. So
okay
plural of the hierarchy.
yes sir yes okay
The streets are wide. Aridatun wide. Or dayiqatun narrow. You can use aridatun, you can use dayiqatun. Dayiqatun means narrow. Al-ariqatu
Jamilatu.
jamilatun. Anyone else?
Kabiratu.
نظيفة.
Murihatun. Murihatun. What is the meaning? Al-ariqatu murihatun. The sofa is comfortable. The sofa is comfortable. Murihatun means comfortable. At-talibatu.
مسلمات
At-talibatu.
المسلمات
واقفات.
مسلمات زكيات
نايم.
مؤمنات
مجتهدات.
مجتهدات
Why two?
تن
because it is
مجتهدات.
plural
Yes, we studied
This is
wrong
not
this one.
this is not gharakil. This is not morpha. This is
मुजतहिद
this is nakira.
Nakira. Nakira, yeah.
So nakira will
मुजतहिदात
take
तुन आएगा सर.
my nakira will take the tanween najihatun or talibatu najihatun. The female students are successful. Al ghurfatu
واسخ أو نظيف نظيفة
नजीफतुन
al ghurfatun nazifatun wasiatun
अरीजतुन
dayiqatun
ज़ईक़तुन
wasiatun dayiqatun mean narrow, so you can use al fawakihu
لذيذة.
lazizatun
लजीज़तुन लजीज़तुन
lazizatun. Okay, fijatun mean raw. Fijatun raw. Fijatun. Okay. Al ummu
نائم.
al ummu
نائمة. نائمة.
naimatun. Al ummu naimatun.
नाइमतुन yes.
Sleeping.
Yes, al ummu naimatun. What happened to it? Naimatun. The mother is sleeping. Al ummu mushfikatun. The mother is compassionate. Mushfikatun. The mother is compassionate. Ashubakani.
مفتوحان.
मफ्तूहान
What is the meaning?
The two windows are
two
open.
windows are open.
The two windows are open. Al mumarridatu.
मुजतहिदतु
مش
نشيطة
Nashitatun.
or مشفقات.
Nashitatun. Al mumarridatu nashitatun. The nurse is active. The nurse is active. Al ummahatu.
الأمهات
الأمهات المشفقات مشفقات.
مشفقات
मुदरिसात
مشفقات
मुशफिकात
Okay. Aqilatun. Try to use the new word. The words we have used, don't use again. Aqilatun.
Just.
The
Or honest.
mothers are wise or mature. Aqilatun mean mature or wise.
عقيلة. Okay.
As-Sadiqu. As-Sadiqu.
जालिसून
آمين
जालिसून जाहिबून कादिमून
As-Sadiqu Wafiyun. The friend is loyal. Wafiyun. As-Sadiqu Wafiyun. The friend is loyal. Okay. As-Sallajatu.
مغلوق
ثلاجة برد
Very done.
برد بارد.
बारिद
مغلقة
बारिदतुन बारिदतुन
What is Baridatun?
ठंडा
Cold.
cold
Or we can say melanun is full.
مغلقة
Or we can say empty, but we don't know empty in Arabic.
Mr. Yusuf.
खालियतुन
Mr. Yusuf. Mr. Yusuf, please switch off your mic. I am switching off your mic. You always open it. Okay. As-Sallajatu Kabiratun Saghiratun Jadidatun. The refrigerator is big. The refrigerator is small. The refrigerator is new. The refrigerator is old.
It's
You
full.
can.
It's empty.
Empty.
Okay. So as-salajatu jadidatun. The refrigerator is new. Qadimatun is old. Kabiratun is big. Sagiratun is small. And you can also use its color. As-salajatu khadra'u. The refrigerator is
How to say
green.
when the fridge is full?
The refrigerator is green. Khadra'u. Safra'u. Any color you can
Saudau.
use. Sauda'u. Ahmadu.
Talibun.
Ahmadu talibun salihun.
Tabibun.
Tabibun. Mujtahidun. Nashitun. Active. So you can use different predicates. Al-ukhtani.
Mumarizatani.
Jamilatan.
Al-ukhtani.
Mumarizatani.
चल मुमर्रिज़ताने दोनों बहनें नर्से हैं. The two sisters are nurses. Az-Zayduna.
Sir,
Many.
it means Zaid.
Plural of Zaydun. More than two Zayd. 3, 4, 5 Zayd.
متزوجون.
Mutazawwij.
Salimuna.
Tabibuna. Zalimuna. Muminuna.
Okay.
Muslimuna.
आकिफूना.
Muti'una.
عاقلون.
Az-Zayduna muti'una. Zayds are muti' obedient. Muti' obedient. Zayds are obedient. Az-Zayduna tabibuna. Zayds are doctor. Az-Zayduna muhandisuna. Zayds are
Engineer.
engineers. Okay. Al-mu'minuna.
राहिबूना.
What is rahibuna?
सर हिदायत
Muflihuna.
याफ्ता.
Muflihuna.
Muflihuna. Al-mu'minuna muflihuna.
मुफलिहूना.
Al-fatimatu
Jalisatu.
jalisatu. Why
Jalisa.
jalisatu?
फातिमातु.
Because there are
सर
plural Fatimat.
No, why jalisatu?
नहीं.
Because Jalisatu is plural.
अल फातिमातु.
And it is khabar. Khabar should be without alif lam and it should be marfu.
Jalisatun.
Jalisat.
गायबातु.
Jalisatun. Oh, sorry. Jalisatun. Jalisatun.
अल फातिमातु गायब.
Al-fatimatu ghaibatun. Fatimas are absent. Al-a'mamu
Ghaniyu.
hadiruna.
Ghaniyun.
Al-a'mamu hadiruna. The uncles are present. The uncles are present. Al-akhawatu
Ghaibuna.
ghaibuna.
Ghaibatu.
Ghaibatun already have done.
अल सर
Ghaib.
खड़ी खड़ी है का क्या होगा? अखवातु. आयमुन.
Qaimat.
आयमातु.
Al-akhawatu qaimatun. As-satairu
Wasikhatun. واثق
We have learned about the
واثقة
colors. We have learned about the colors, so you use the
Safra.
color. As-satairu,
Safra.
okay
safrau. The curtains are yellow. At-tulabu,
Meaning tulab,
yellow
at-tulabu, the students.
students are intelligent.
ذكي
Zakiyuna,
ذكي
azkiyau. It will be azkiyau, not zakiyuna.
okay
Azkiyau. Okay. Ad-du'aatu,
Dua.
answer
ad-du'aatu mean the preachers. The preachers,
okay
salihuna. The preachers are wise. Ar-rafu, sagirun. The shelf is small. Ar-rafu sagirun. The shelf is small. Al-as'aru, the prices.
meaning
The price. Al-as'aru, the
ثامن
murtafi'atun. Al-as'aru murtafi'atun. The prices are high. Murtafi'atun. The prices are high. Al-aqlamu
Maksurun.
saminatun.
Hmm?
Okay. Hold on a minute, please.
Al-Aqlam.
No sound, Ustaz.
Okay. Al-aqlamu saminatun. The pens are expensive, costly. Al-aqlamu is plural of the ghair-aqil, the rational being, so its khabar will be feminine singular. Al-aqlamu saminatun. The pens are costly, expensive. Al-manaratani tawilatani. The 2 minutes are high. Or aliyatani. Aliyatani mean also high. So this was our lesson for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue the lesson. Any of you have any question, anything you want to ask about the lesson? Okay, nobody have to ask anything. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue. Ila likai massalama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خيرا أستاذ.
Amin wa iyyakum.
सर आप अरबी के साथ साथ उर्दू मीनिंग प्लीज बताते जाया करें ताकि
आप उर्दू की क्लास को ज्वाइन कर लें।
इंशाल्लाह। यस सर, मैं आज रात में आपको मैसेज करूंगी तो प्लीज ज्वाइन करें।
यही किताब वहां पढ़ाई जा रही है।